Hi and welcome to John's Maths Book. In this video, we'll be exploring another key concept in mathematics. If you find this tutorial helpful, then please show your support by subscribing, liking, and leaving a comment. Your positive engagement helps me create more content and allows me to bring you more valuable maths lessons. Without further ado, let's go over to the whiteboard. Let's take a look at this problem related to complex numbers. We have a complex number z, represented by the point pxy in the Argand plane. And we are given that the modulus of z minus 3 plus I is equal to 2 multiplied by the modulus of z minus 5 minus 2i. And we are asked to show that the locus of P is a circle and to find the center of the circle. And so to begin, we can let z equal x plus iy. And making this substitution, we have the modulus of x plus iy minus 3 plus I is equal to 2 multiplied by the modulus of x plus iy minus 5 minus 2i. And if we group the real and imaginary parts, we have the modulus of x minus 3 plus I into the bracket of y plus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by the modulus of x minus 5 plus I into the bracket of y minus 2. And we know that the modulus of a complex number is the square root of the sum of the squares of the real and imaginary parts. We have the square root of x minus 3 all squared, where x minus 3 here is the real part, plus y plus 1 all squared, where y plus 1 here is the imaginary part, is equal to 2 multiplied by the square root of x minus 5 all squared, where x minus 5 is the real part, plus y minus 2 all squared, where y minus 2 is the imaginary part. And squaring both sides of the equation gives x minus 3 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 4 into the bracket of x minus 5 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared. And expanding the brackets gives x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 4x squared minus 40x plus 100 plus 4y squared minus 16y plus 16. And simplifying this gives 3x squared minus 34x plus 3y squared minus 18y plus 106 is equal to 0. And dividing through by 3 gives x squared minus 34 divided by 3x plus y squared minus 6y plus 106 over 3 is equal to 0. And completing the square for this, we have x minus 17 divided by 3 all squared minus 289 divided by 9 plus y minus 3 all squared minus 9 is equal to minus 106 divided by 3, which simplifies to x minus 17 divided by 3 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equal to 52 divided by 9. And we should be able to identify this as the equation of a circle with center x equals 17 divided by 3 and y equals 3 and a radius of the square root of 52 divided by 3.